Bonjour à tous and welcome to another video on negatives in French. This time around we'll be looking at ni, which essentially means neither nor. Now while this one is very useful and people do indeed use it, I highly recommend that you familiarize yourself with some of the more common ones first of all, like pas, jamais, plus and rien. Not because this one's particularly difficult, just because I think it's important to learn the ones that are used a little bit more often first of all. If, however, you're comfortable with all of those, then let's get straight on with ni. So the structure of this is very much the same as what we've seen before. We have ne, then the verb, then ni, something, ni, because of course neither nor is used to talk about two different things. So take for example, j'ai un frère et une sœur, that is, I have a brother and a sister. If we said je n'ai ni frère ni sœur, that would be I don't have a brother or a sister. Of course, you could also say I have neither a brother nor a sister, but I think in English we tend to say don't have X or Y. Just remember that in French, both of those are expressed using ni. Also notice that when we use ni, we no longer need the article. So we say j'ai un frère et une sœur, but je n'ai ni frère ni sœur, not ni un frère ni une sœur. Another example, il parle anglais et français, he speaks English and French. Il ne parle ni anglais ni français, is he speaks neither English nor French, or of course, he doesn't speak English or French. In the compound tenses, things are pretty much the same. So take for example, vous l'avez vu et entendu, meaning you saw it and heard it. Using ni, we would say vous ne l'avez ni vu ni entendu. You neither saw it nor heard it. So with the others, we've always spoken about the second part of the negative as in relation to either the past participle or an object. Ni just goes before the two things that you're talking about, right? So neither saw nor heard, ni vu ni entendu. J'ai retrouvé Marc et Sophie means I met Mark and Sophie, but if you didn't meet either of them, you could say je n'ai retrouvé ni Marc ni Sophie. I didn't meet Mark or Sophie, or indeed, I met neither Mark nor Sophie. And there you go. If you've got a good grasp of negatives in general, this one shouldn't be too difficult. However, that doesn't mean that it's all going to be hunky-dory really easy, so if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask, and until next time, à bientôt.